Every September, the smartphone industry stops and holds its breath for Apple's next major unveil, but what is happening right now behind the closed doors of Apple Park goes far beyond a routine annual refresh. Leaked CAD renders, internal supply chain manifests, and confidential engineering documents confirm that Apple is preparing to release the most radical hardware overhaul in the history of the Pro Max line, the iPhone 18 Pro Max. For years, users have voiced the exact same complaints: incremental performance bumps, persistent camera flare, a prominent screen cutout, and dependence on third-party modems. But with the iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple is systematically dismantling those criticisms one by one. To truly understand why the tech world is in an absolute frenzy over this unreleased device, you have to look at a massive shift in Apple's release strategy. For the first time in company history, Apple is splitting the iPhone launch timeline wide open. Standard entry-level models are reportedly being delayed to a separate spring window, leaving the fall stage exclusively to Apple's ultimate flagships, the iPhone 18 Pro, the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and the ultra-premium foldable iPhone Ultra. Apple isn't just updating a phone here, they are establishing a brand new tier of supercomputing. The single biggest engineering breakthrough inside the iPhone 18 Pro Max starts at the atomic level with the brand new A20 Pro processor. While the rest of the mobile industry is still fighting over 3nm chip designs, Apple has secured exclusive manufacturing capacity at TSMC for cutting-edge 2nm architecture. Moving to 2nm allows engineers to cram billions of additional transistors into a microscopic footprint, yielding up to 15% faster raw processing speeds while cutting energy consumption by an astonishing 30%. Paired with next-generation multi-chip module packaging, this silicon is designed to process massive artificial intelligence workloads and complex graphic rendering completely on-device, in real time, without relying on external cloud servers or draining your battery. Speaking of real-time performance, Apple is finally addressing the single biggest bottleneck that has plagued modern smartphones under heavy loads: thermal throttling. When you shoot long 4K video clips, play graphic-intensive games, or process local AI tasks, modern phones heat up and automatically dim the display to prevent internal damage. Internal structural leaks reveal that Apple is equipping the iPhone 18 Pro Max with a state-of-the-art vapor chamber liquid cooling system. By circulating liquid through a sealed copper thermal plate, heat is drawn away from the A20 Pro chip instantly. This allows the phone to sustain maximum clock speeds continuously without dropping screen brightness or dropping frame rates. When you flip the phone over, the physical design is undergoing a massive, sophisticated transformation. While keeping the expansive 6.9-inch screen footprint, Apple is slightly increasing the chassis thickness to roughly 9mm to accommodate a substantially larger battery and advanced camera hardware. The back glass manufacturing process has been updated to seamlessly blend the matte glass with the dark titanium frame into a single unified piece of industrial sculpture. Dummy models and color leaks confirm that while traditional silver and dark gray return, the standout headline color for the 18 Pro Max is a rich, mesmerizing dark cherry finish, a deep crimson with subtle purple undertones that shifts shade depending on how light hits the surface. Moving around to the front display, Apple is finally delivering the visual redesign power users have demanded since the introduction of the iPhone 14 Pro. The dynamic island is officially shrinking. By successfully engineering under-display Face ID components, Apple has moved crucial infrared sensors beneath the active OLED screen pixels. This drastic reduction leaves only a tiny, unobtrusive cutout for the front-facing camera, giving you significantly more usable screen real estate for movies, gaming, and daily apps. The panel itself upgrades to advanced LTPO plus display technology, delivering unprecedented peak outdoor brightness while intelligently dropping the refresh rate down to a power-saving single Hz for always-on display functionality. However, the headline feature that is going to make professional photographers and videographers throw away their standalone cameras is the main camera module. For the first time in iPhone history, Apple is implementing a true mechanical variable aperture system on the primary wide lens. Instead of relying entirely on software to fake depth of field, physical aperture blades inside the lens housing can widen or narrow dynamically. In low-light environments, the lens opens wide to let in massive amounts of light for noise-free night shots. In bright sunlight or macro close-ups, the aperture narrows to deliver tack-sharp edge-to-edge detail and natural, DSLR-like optical background bokeh. The camera hardware upgrades don't stop there. Apple is partnering with Samsung to integrate a custom 3-layer stacked image sensor. This architecture separates the photodiodes, processing circuit, and memory layer into distinct tiers, dramatically increasing dynamic range, slashing digital noise and shadows, and eliminating shutter lag entirely. Combined with upgraded 48-megapixel sensors across all rear cameras and an improved telephoto lens with wider physical apertures, the iPhone 18 Pro Max promises clean low-light zoom, uncompressed high-bitrate video recording, and color accuracy that rivals cinema cameras. Hidden deep inside the frame is another silent revolution that breaks Apple free from a decade of component reliance: the custom C2 cellular modem. Apple is officially ditching third-party Qualcomm modems in favor of their second-generation in-house silicon. The C2 modem isn't just about faster 5G download speeds, it delivers massive battery efficiency improvements and introduces expanded satellite connectivity. Instead of restricting satellite communication to emergency SOS texts, the C2 modem is built to support basic web browsing, messaging, and location pinging even when you are completely off the grid, deep in the mountains, or miles out at sea. Battery life on the iPhone 18 Pro Max is set to shatter all previous endurance records. Leveraging the thicker chassis, Apple has squeezed in a massive battery capacity approaching 5,200 mAh. When you pair this raw battery capacity with the ultra-efficient 2nm A20 Pro chip, the LTPO Plus display panel, and the power-thrifty C2 modem, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is engineered to deliver true multi-day battery life under real-world usage. Charging speeds are also getting a long-overdue boost, featuring faster wired power delivery and enhanced thermal safety during rapid MagSafe charging. Of course, all of this groundbreaking innovation comes with an undeniable catch: the price tag. Between skyrocketing costs for 2nm silicon production and global memory chip supply shifts, industry analysts warn that a price increase is practically guaranteed. Starting prices for the iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to jump significantly compared to previous generations. But for power users, creators, and tech enthusiasts who want the absolute pinnacle of mobile engineering, the performance leap, revolutionary camera controls, smaller dynamic island, and incredible battery life make this the most compelling upgrade in years. Apple is preparing to completely redefine what a smartphone can do, and when the iPhone 18 Pro Max takes the stage, the entire mobile industry will be forced to catch up.